Stocks were higher this morning, but as I speak to you right now, there is some weakness starting to come into the markets. The Nasdaq is up 0.2%. The S&P is up about 0.1%, but the Dow is down about 0.5%, and the Russell 2000 future is up about 0.8%. Last night, we saw China's GDP and industrial production figures beat expectations. On the earnings front, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, and BlackRock all beat earnings expectations with robust second quarter results. JP Morgan reported $14 billion in profit. Wells Fargo's profit rose 12% to $5.5 billion, and BlackRock assets surged past $12 trillion US dollars. Core CPI was weak again. June's consumer price index rose 0.3% month over month, an acceleration from May's 1% increase, and matched expectations. But core CPI, both year over year and month over month, while stronger than the previous print, came in lower than expected. Core year over year CPI came out at up 2.9% versus expectations of plus 3% and a last print of plus 2.8%. And month over month core came in at up 0.2% versus expectations of up 0.3% and a last print of up 0.1%. This is the fifth consecutive month that core CPI has been lower than analyst expectations. Dollar strength is building. The dollar now in aggregate has risen 2.17% from the July 1st lows and is up 7 of the last 10 sessions. The Japanese yen has absorbed the brunt of the damage, with the futures contract being down about 4.2% since the July 1st swing high. Looking ahead, Fed speakers today include Fed Governor Michelle Bowman, Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michael Barr, and tomorrow, New York Fed President John Williams. After the close, 6 companies with market caps of over $1 billion are set to report earnings, including J.B. Hunt, Omnicron Group, and 4 regional banks. Tomorrow before the market opens, we'll have 11 more companies with $1 billion in market cap or more reporting, including Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, ASML Holdings, and Johnson & Johnson. Economic data tomorrow morning, UK CPI, US PPI, industrial production figures, and then the Fed's Beige Book in the afternoon.